Greetings to everyone, and I'll be reporting about electromagnetism. So first, what is electromagnetism? Electromagnetism is a branch of physics involving the study of the electromagnetic force, a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles. The electromagnetic force usually exhibits electromagnetic fields, such as electric fields, magnetic fields, and light. The other three fundamental interactions are the strong interaction, the weak interaction, and gravitation. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that is transmitted through the wires, especially copper wires. For operating the various machines and devices such as lights, fans, refrigerator, computers, television, air conditioner, and washing machine. Electricity is the property of charged particles such as electrons and protons. When these particles are at rest, it is called static electricity. Static electricity occurs due to the existence of charged particles. On the other hand, when charged particles flow through the conductor, it is called current electricity. Because when the charged particles flow through the conductor, electricity also flows. We know that current means the flow of anything in a particular direction. For example, the flow of water in a particular direction is called water current. In a similar way, the flow of electricity or charged particles in a particular direction is called current electricity or electric current. So, second is magnetism. What is magnetism? Magnetism is a type of attractive or repulsive force that acts up to a certain distance. The distance is up to which this attractive or repulsive force acts is called magnetic field. Magnetism is caused by the moving electric charges. When two magnetic materials are placed close to each other, they experience an attractive force. We know that all objects in the universe are made up of small particles called atoms. The atoms consist of subatomic particles such as electrons, protons, and neutrons. The strong nuclear force between the protons and neutrons make them stick together to form nucleus. The electrons present in the atom revolve around the nucleus because of the electrostatic force of attraction between the electrons and nucleus. Magnetism from electricity. A connection between electricity and magnetism was discovered accidentally by Ørsted over 100 years ago, who noticed that a compass needle is deflected when brought into the vicinity of a current carrying wire. Those currents induce in their vicinity magnetic fields. An electromagnet is simply a coil of wires which, when a current is passed through, generate a magnetic field. Another example of this effect at work is an atom. Since an electron is a charge which moves about the nucleus, in effect it forms a current loop, and hence a magnetic field may be associated with an individual atom. It is the basic property which is believed to be the origin of the magnetic properties of various types of materials found in nature. Last, in the early days, believed that electricity and magnetism are two separate forces. However, after the publication of James Clerk Maxwell, these forces are treated as interrelated forces. In 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted observed a surprising thing. When he switched on the battery from which the electric current is flowing, the compass needle moved away from the point of north. After this experiment, he concluded that the electric current flowing through the wire produces a magnetic field. Electricity and magnetism are closely related to each other. The electric current flowing through the wire produces a circular magnetic field outside the wire. The direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, of this magnetic field depends on the direction of the electric current. In the similar way, a changing magnetic field produces an electric current in a wire or conductor. The, the relationship between electricity and magnetism is called electromagnetism. That's all. Thank you.